Why the f*** are Instagram removing the share to story feature?
So, late last year, Instagram announced that they were trialling a brand new way for people to react to stories, but without actually sending people a message in the process. But we've never actually experienced this in the wild until about a week ago. Okay, maybe that was a little bit more dramatic than it actually was. But anyway, it really seems that Instagram are pushing this out more and more, and it could be an important piece of user engagement that you could garner from stories alone. So it's definitely worth trying to spice up your own stories and make them more engaging, make them something that people actually want to react to, rather than just a really boring advertising space that everyone else uses stories for. Try to make your stories stand out, do something inventive with them, and with any luck, you'll see the results.
Now we all know that Bebo's coming back, we wanted to do a little bit more digging into finding out what it's actually going to be like. So a couple of things that they have actually said is that they want it to be a live social networking site. So they're going to be encouraging people to actually interact with each other whilst they're online. And they've also said that they want to keep some of the features from Bibo way back in the day when it comes to their profiles. So they want those to be more personal as well. So we're actually kind of excited to see what it's going to be like.
Why the f*** are Instagram removing the share to story feature? Will it end? Like, what next?
What the f*** is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the f***, dude? Step the f*** up, Kyle.
I'm trying to figure out what I did so wrong in a previous life to make Instagram want to ruin my current one. So Instagram are trialling the removal of the share to story feature, seemingly with user experience in mind. The theory is that people don't like seeing the same content on their feeds as in stories. So Instagram are looking to limit certain features in order to improve the experience its users have. They want to encourage people to create content for each medium, just as they want people to create different videos for TikTok and Reels. Behave, mate. Not happening, sorry. This can really impact businesses, as with Best of Bristol, one of the things we do is share posts from local independent businesses to help them reach new customers. Instagram have said they don't have plans to roll it out at this stage, but they seem to be taking a serious approach to the issue of story engagement. I guess we'll see.
There's really nothing like a good old spoon of Weetabix and beans, is there? This week, Weetabix-Heinz Gate beans were responsible for the worst British collaboration since Five and Queen redid We Will Rock You. However, unlike that monstrosity, this had an amazing impact on social. Weetabix's brilliant engagement-bait tweet here calls social media managers across the country to stop what they were doing and try and think of a witty reply as soon as possible. Like Helen of Troy, this tweet may well go down in history as the tweet that launched 1,000 brand responses. It's probably got more UK verified brand responses than I've ever seen on a tweet. Just have a look at some of the amazing brand responses to this tweet and just see what I mean. When you've got GCHQ of all accounts tweeting and absolutely nailing it, you know you've had a massive social media event. The whole thing was an amazing demonstration by brands on how to jump into a trend and really demonstrate your social media tone of voice effectively. It was a fantastic effort by many, many brands, but above all, Weetabix's social media team have absolutely killed it. Somebody's clearly been reading the standing orders for social media.
So today I want to talk about awareness days. So basically someone has put together a calendar for a day for everything. It's basically a really handy tool to help brands promote things that are to do with their business. So yesterday was National Pizza Day. Great. If you're a pizza restaurant, definitely get posting on that. Someone like me, I just use an excuse to order pizza, which I'm not mad about. Also, National Tortellini Day. National Children's Dental Health Month. All these things, if your business is related to this, definitely use it. It's an excuse for you to make content around that subject. But if you're a hairdresser, you don't need to be posting about National Children's Dental Month. It's not relevant to your audience. So make sure that you choose things wisely and make some different and quirky ways to use it as well. Source a couple of Instagram lives for National Pizza Day, which is great. It's also Valentine's Day coming up this weekend, so we're looking forward to seeing some really good examples of using that and maybe some cheesy ones as well, but let's see.